First, we will be denying entry to Canada to people who are not Canadian citizens or permanent residents.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau also said airlines will ban anyone with coronavirus symptoms from getting off the plane. Only 4 airports in the country will now receive international flights.
This measure will carve out some designated exceptions, including for air crews, diplomats, immediate family members of Canadian citizens, and, at this time, U.S. citizens.
Travelers were scrambling to catch flights home ahead of a U.S.-imposed ban on travel from the U.K. and Ireland. This went into effect on Monday. U.S. President Donald Trump announced the temporary suspension as a measure to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus. People traveling to the U.S. being screened for the virus faced long lines and massive delays at some major airports.
Well, forget social distancing. We were herded into a pod.
I find it very sad because I've had an amazing trip in Washington, but I've felt it over the last 3 days now, where people have just been withdrawing, and the metro's been vacant, and it's just altogether been a little bit scary.
A Tennessee man who received backlash online after buying thousands of bottles of hand sanitizer and was selling them online has donated the rest of his inventory to charity. The Tennessee Attorney General issued Matt Colvin and his brother a cease and desist letter, saying there was reason to believe they were price gouging. The Attorney General confirmed the hand sanitizer was donated to a local church.
If by my actions anyone was directly impacted and unable to get sanitizer from one of their local stores because I purchased it all, I am truly sorry for that.
境外输入已经成为了中国国内不少地方疫情防控的。
Imported coronavirus cases involving travelers entering China from abroad have now become the main risk. The Foreign Ministry said health checks and quarantine measures are being imposed equally to Chinese nationals and foreigners coming into China from overseas. Mainland China reported a drop in coronavirus infections on Sunday, but major cities like Beijing continue to struggle with cases of people coming in from abroad. The message is clear to people all over the world. Stop panic buying and hoarding goods during the coronavirus outbreak. Buying too much means other people may be left without necessities like food, medicine, and toilet paper, which has been flying off the shelves. People have been clearing out stores from France to Jordan to Mexico. Germany has now closed its border with France. The country has also done the same with Austria, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Denmark. This is to try to curb the spread of coronavirus in Europe, which has become the epicenter of the outbreak, and Germany is seeing a spike in cases. As of Sunday, there were almost 5,000 confirmed cases in Germany. This is a jump of more than 1,000 COVID-19 cases from the day before. The Spanish military looked over the streets of Madrid on Sunday, urging people to abide by the city's lockdown. The country is trying to curb the rapid spread of coronavirus after it saw deaths more than double overnight. People in Spain have been housebound by law since Saturday.